Hello and welcome to this VTC training course on how to create your own video game from beginning to end, from nothing to export. My name is Ephraim Muhlenberg and I have been making video games for about 15 years now. I've used many pieces of software, but I have to admit that the best so far that I've used is called the UNITY3D game engine, and this is what you see right in front of you. It is also the main software that we will use to create our game in this course. Now, at the time of the recording, UNITY3D is being announced one of the top 5 game engines in the world and is used approximately by 100,000 professionals to make games for the Mac, for PC, for the Wii, and for the iPhone, and the Xbox is following pretty shortly hereafter. Now, the version that we will be using of UNITY3D is the indie version or independent version, and this one is actually now available for free. When I first started with it, you had to pay a little bit to get it going, but it is now available for free. We will also look at using Cinema 4D as well as Filter Forge and the City engine to generate levels, and these are all available for download and trial versions. However, the main software that we will use is free. Now let me tell you exactly what you're getting yourself into, because when you start this one you can say goodbye to your spare time. This is too much fun to be had. First we will start off and look at the interface, the different panels that we have, and how to maneuver around in 3D space. After that we will add some crates and physics to have some fun in the world, and we will move on into sculpting our outdoor environments, painting grass and textures and dirt, and this is also a lot of fun to do. From there on we will move into a little bit more technical parts of scripting, because if you want to get anything done in your game or anything happen in your game that is exciting, you will need a little bit of scripting. Don't be alarmed though, this is a lot easier than most of the programming languages that you might be used to, and I will guide you through it every step of the way. After that we will look at particle effects and apply them to throwing grenades in the 3D world. And then we will also create some artificial intelligence for a turret model that you can see right here that will be shooting at us and try to find us as long as nothing is in the way to block it. From there on we will add some audio, and I will show you how to generate a city like this one using the City engine and export it for use with UNITY3D. So I hope you're just as excited about this course as I am, and let's move on to the next video and get started.